among He is an honest person among all his brothers. Chart. Hang the chart on the front wall. Clouds. The sky suddenly filled with the black clouds. Comprehend. I can easily comprehend this lesson. Describe. Can you describe what is a noun? Ever. Have you ever visited the zoo? Fail. I failed to get a job. Friendly. Everyone is so friendly in the city. Grade. I read in grade 12. Instead, I ate the chili instead of the okra. Library. We have a small library in our house. Planet. Have you studied about planet? Several. Several police? Solve I can't solve this math problem? Universe. Allah is the king of the whole universe. Viewers. All of our viewers love education.